Today, we're diving into the craziest, most jaw-dropping trucking records you've never heard of. Trust me, you're not gonna believe what's coming next. Stay tuned, because you're about to witness the ultimate in big truck time. Can we get 1,000 likes for every record? And don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
Miles per hour.
Here's where we get airborne. Ever see a semi-truck fly? No, really, fly? In July 2015, Greg Godfrey, a professional stuntman, set the world record for the longest ramp jump by a truck cab at 50.60 meters. That's a staggering 166 feet of air. Picture a massive semi soaring through the sky like a jet. But don't try this at home unless you got nerves of steel and the skills of Evel Knievel.
Oh my lord.
If you thought trucks were all about raw power and weight, wait until you hear about Shockwave. The fastest jet-powered truck in the world, its top speed, an insane 376 miles per hour. Shockwave uses 3J3448 Pratt & Whitney jet engines, the same type used in the US Navy's T-2 Buckeye aircraft. This truck isn't just fast, it's dangerously fast. When you can outpace a sports car and a truck, you know you've got something special. If size matters to you, this one's going to blow your mind. Imagine a truck so massive it weighs 78.2 tons. The Tracto Mass TR10X10D100, built by Nicholas Industries in France, holds the Guinness World Record for the largest semi-truck on Earth. This beast was designed to haul mining and heavy road equipment, and just to put that into perspective, it weighs more than 10 African elephants combined. Certified in October 2005, the Tracto Mass is the king of the road when it comes to sheer size. But wait, could a truck that big actually handle everyday roads? Spoiler alert, not really. This giant hauler is reserved for extreme industrial tasks, but wouldn't it be fun to see it pull up next to your average highway semi? What's cooler than one truck? 480 of them rolling down the highway together? That's exactly what happened in Cairo, Egypt on November 20th, 2020. The parade, organized by the Tahia Misr Fund, set the record for the largest parade of trucks ever assembled. Just imagine the sheer noise and power of almost 500 trucks moving in unison. It's the kind of traffic jam you actually want to be stuck in. Interestingly, the record they broke was previously held by a 416 truck parade in the Netherlands 16 years earlier. We've talked about a truck cab soaring through the sky, but how about an entire truck and trailer? In 2014, Mike Ryan managed to hurl a truck and its trailer a staggering 25.48 meters, 83 feet, 7 inches, across a ramp in Suffolk, UK. Just imagine that. Hauling both a truck and a loaded trailer through the air is something only a daredevil would attempt. Safety first, right? Well, William Coe Jr. took that to a whole new level when he set the record for most miles driven safely in a commercial truck, over 3 million miles without a single preventable accident. That's the equivalent of driving to the moon and back nearly 7 times without a crash. He started his career in 1986, and in 23 years of driving, William never once had a preventable accident. Now that's the kind of driver you want on the road. You're never too old to get behind the wheel. Floyd Van Alstyne proved that when he became the world's oldest truck driver at the impressive age of 97. This Vermont legend still drives log trucks and dump trucks on his family farm. By the time he hit 99, he was even honored by his hometown of Barnard for his decades of service. Talk about dedication. How many of us will still be hitting the road at nearly 100 years old? Floyd's story is an inspiration to keep on trucking, no matter your age. We're heading into the future here. October 25th, 2016 marked the date when self-driving trucks officially arrived. Otto, a self-driving truck subsidiary of Uber, made the world's first delivery without a human behind the wheel. The delivery? Over 50,000 cans of Budweiser beer. That's right, beer was the first cargo moved by a fully autonomous truck on a 120-mile journey for Anheuser-Busch InBev. Think about it, self-driving trucks could be the future of logistics, but the question is, can you trust a robot with your beer?
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
How many of you could pull a 50,080-kilogram vehicle over 100 meters? What if you were in a wheelchair? That's exactly what 25 friends in Germany did in 2013. Together, they hauled not just one, but 3 wrecking trucks over a 328-foot distance using nothing but their wheelchairs. Their feat made history as the heaviest vehicle pulled by a wheelchair team. When you think about the sheer weight of those trucks, it's not just strength that's impressive here, it's the power of teamwork. Wait until you hear this one. How about pulling a 10,380 kilogram or over 22,800 pounds truck with just your hair? Yes, you heard that right. Mahmoud Shamshun Al Arab from the UAE achieved this mind-blowing feat on December 2nd, 2017 in Fujairah, UAE. Using nothing but his hair, he pulled the massive vehicle, setting the record for the heaviest truck pulled by hair. Just think about it for a second. How strong must your hair and neck be to pull something that weighs more than 2 full-grown elephants? So which of these trucking world records blew your mind the most? Whether it's hair-pulling feats, record-breaking jumps, or trucks speeding faster than some planes, the world of trucking is full of jaw-dropping surprises. If you want to see more mind-boggling feats and learn more about the coolest trucks on the planet, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. See you in the next video.
A wall of fire over 12,000 feet.